Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing something I recently discovered. And honestly, it's blowing my mind. It's called OneAI. If you've ever wanted a toolkit that combines creativity, automation, and pure AI power, this might just be it. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is OneAI? Think of it as your ultimate productivity hub. It combines 20-plus premium AI apps into a single dashboard. Yep, no need to juggle subscriptions or switch between platforms. Everything you need is right here. Here's a quick look at some of the apps included. Lexica AI PRO for creating stunning designs and visuals. Hey Gen for video creation that's shockingly easy. KlingAI PRO to help you with content writing and marketing materials. And even Photoshop PRO for high-level graphic editing. Now, let me tell you what I loved about it. Ease of use. The interface is super clean and user-friendly. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, you'll feel right at home. Cost-effective. The one-time price is a huge win for me. I've spent so much on monthly subscriptions before, and with OneAI, I get unlimited access to all these tools without the constant bills. Versatility. It's not just for one type of user. Whether you're a freelancer, a business owner, or even a student, there's something in here for everyone. But of course, nothing is perfect. Here are a couple of things to keep in mind. Learning curve. While most of the tools are easy to pick up, some, like Photoshop PRO, might take a bit of time to get used to, especially if you're new to design software. No mobile app. Currently, it's desktop only, so if you're someone who likes to work on the go, that might be a limitation. Let me give you an example of how I've been using OneAI. Just last week, I needed a script for a client's ad campaign. I opened KlingAI PRO, entered a few details, and boom! It gave me a fully polished script in seconds. It saved me hours. So, is OneAI worth it? For me, absolutely. If you're someone who wants to save time, be more productive, and have access to cutting-edge AI tools without breaking the bank, this is a no-brainer. I'd rate it a solid 9 out of 10. The only reason it's not a 10 is because I'd love to see a mobile version in the future. But overall, it's an incredible value. If you're curious about OneAI, I've left a link in the description below. Check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.